In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependents in TurboTax. If you need to include a child or another qualifying dependent on your tax return, TurboTax makes that process fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so you can add another dependent correctly and continue with your return. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to your TurboTax account and that you're inside your current tax return. Once you're on the main working screen, look for the My Info section. Go ahead and click on My Info. This area is where TurboTax stores the personal details connected to your return, including your own information, your filing status details, and any dependents you've already entered. After you open My Info, take a moment to review the page. This section is designed to organize the people included on your return, so if you've added anyone before, you may already see them listed here. If not, that's completely fine. The important thing is that you're now in the right place to add someone new. Next, look for the option labeled Add Another Dependent and click it. This is the button that starts the dependent entry process. Once selected, TurboTax will guide you through a series of prompts to enter the dependent's information. Typically, that includes basic identifying details and questions that help determine how the person qualifies on your tax return. As you go through that process, make sure the information you enter is accurate and matches your tax documents. Even small mistakes can slow things down later, especially if TurboTax uses those details to calculate credits or determine eligibility for tax benefits. It's a good idea to have the dependent's personal information ready before you begin, so you can complete the section without interruptions. If you're adding more than one dependent, you can usually repeat the same process by returning to the My Info section and selecting Add Another Dependent again. That helps keep everything organized in one place. Before moving on to the next part of your return, review the dependent information carefully to confirm it was entered correctly. This can be especially helpful if you're claiming credits tied to children or other dependents, since those entries can affect your final refund or balance due. And that's all it takes to add dependents in TurboTax. Open My Info, select, add another dependent, and follow the prompts on screen. Once you've completed that section, you'll be ready to continue with the rest of your tax return.